In this update, I'm going to cover the new sculpting tool in the 3D Shoemaker shoelace and component design software. What makes 3D Shoemaker unique among footwear design softwares is the comprehensive parametric approach. The advantage of this approach is that the foundation of footwear design becomes more scientific, leading to better repeatability and thus opportunity for improved comfort in the resulting footwear. Yet, the parametric approach is not suitable in all situations. In particular, challenging orthopedic cases where foot shapes may be highly irregular benefit from a more free-form design approach. So that is where the new sculpting tools in 3D Shoemaker come into play. With the new sculpting tools, material can be laid up similar to how plaster might be added to a sculpture. The first step is to choose the type of object to sculpt, which can be a shoelace, orthotic, or a component. Then you can choose the radius of sculpting and amount of material to add and click the desired location on the shoelace. And then it can be subtracted as would be done with a physical sculpting tool. Additionally, surfaces can be smoothed to ensure a blended transition between sculpted adjustments. There are, of course, other softwares out there that can be used for sculpting, but the integration within the 3D Shoemaker array of shoemaking tools is highly convenient. Furthermore, the new sculpting tool has capabilities specific to footwear sculpting. For instance, there are constraints that ensure the bottom surface of the shoelace maintains smooth continuity when material is added to the sides of the shoelace, and the orthotic can automatically update to reflect the sculpted changes of the shoelace. And perhaps most importantly, the sculpting tools allow the material to be snapped to 3D foot models in order to achieve specific offsets from the foot in desired regions. For instance, the shoelace surface can be made to match the foot surface in the ankle region with a particular offset, say 2 millimeters. Similarly, the orthotic surface can be sculpted so that the arch of the orthotic closely follows that of the foot, but with a specified offset. Once sculpting is completed, girth curves can be updated and their lengths can be checked in the side panel user interface to ensure the overall fit of the shoe built on the shoelace will meet the requirements. While the sculpted shoelace and orthotics are a departure from the parametric framework of 3D Shoemaker, they can still benefit from the post-processing tools such as preparation for 3D printing. The joints for opening the shoelace can still be designed, as well as the smart supports for simplified FDM printing of orthotics. And morphing patterns and components to the sculpted shoelace is also still possible. In future videos, I'll do some case studies that involve using these new sculpting tools. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.